Alright, in this video we're going to be going over DaVinci Resolve and how to use it, so make sure to stick around. And don't worry, if you're new to editing or just poking around trying to figure things out, I've literally got you. It can look a little intense at first, all those panels and color wheels, but once you actually know the basics, you'll be slicing and dicing footage like a pro. So let's go over some powerful beginner-friendly guidelines that, well, are gonna take you from beginner to pro immediately. So when you first open up Resolve, you will see all these tabs at the bottom: Media, Cut, Edit, Fusion, Color, and so on. So the Cut tab basically allows you to do quick edits and YouTube type videos. And the Edit tab allows you to do more detailed editing, timeline, effects, audio, all that stuff. So if you're just starting out, simply play around in Cut or Edit to keep things really simple. And if you want to import your media, simply drag and drop your videos, audio, or images straight into the media pool. So this section is usually on the top left. Or you can also simply go to File, then Import, then Media. From there, you then have to select your clips and boom, they'll show up in your project. So DaVinci also allows you to do some basic cutting and trimming. So what you need to do is simply drop the clips into the timeline at the bottom. Then use the blade tool to slice clips. So you can also tap B and it's going to automatically come up. Then you can also use the selection tool by pressing A to move things around. So by dragging the edges, you'll then be allowed to trim clips. And as a pro tip, you guys can also use Command or Ctrl Z in case you made a mistake to undo your errors. So DaVinci is also famous for color grading, but you don't need to go crazy right away. So for basic color tweaks, simply head to the Color tab. From here, you can also play with contrast, saturation, and exposure. But if you'd like to add transitions, simply go to the Effects, then Video Transitions, and drag something like Cross Dissolve between two clips. And if you'd like to mess around with audio, simply head into the Fairlight tab for advanced audio stuff. But if that sounds intimidating, don't worry. You can also adjust audio levels by clicking on the audio part of the clip. Then simply drag the line up and down. You can also add fade-ins and fade-outs by dragging these little white handles at the start or end of your audio clips. Now, once you're ready to post or save your video, simply go to the Deliver tab. From there, you then have to choose your export settings. So generally, YouTube presets work really great. So simply pick your resolution, 1080p if your video is standard, and 4K if you're feeling really fancy. Then click on Add to Render Queue, then hit Start Render. And that's it. So yeah, DaVinci Resolve might look really complicated at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty simple. Simply play around, try stuff, and really don't worry about being perfect. You'll get smoother with every video. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like, and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.